What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a mini twist tutorial on my natural hair. I love my hair, guys. I have 4C hair, and I will be showing you guys what I will be using for this tutorial, and I'll leave the names in the description box as well, so don't trip. Now, if you have never seen one of my hair tutorials, let me just give you the whole tea, girl. I do not focus on clean parts. I do what I can while my kids are in school, and I still make the hairstyle look good. So now, if you struggle with parts like me, I will suggest that you get a handheld mirror and use a Rattail comb, girl, and just use the end of that comb to help you straighten out your parts. I do what I can. I don't focus on my parts. Hey, the style still gonna come together because I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. The Rattail comb comes in handy if you do a lot of DIY hairstyles or hair tutorials. If it wasn't for this comb, y'all, I will be all jacked up, okay? But as you can see, it's helping me out a lot. It's helping me clean my parts. So if you do your hair a lot, please get this comb. You can get it at the beauty supply for only 99 cents. So it's very inexpensive. So I would highly suggest that you get it. I'm about to use the Design Essentials Avocado Curling Cream. Y'all, I love how this makes my hair feel. I love it on my natural hair. Also, I will be using some foam wrap because my twists hold better anytime I use foam wrap. And I will be using the Shine Effect Jam for my base. That's going to help my twist as well. Now, when you are twisting your hair, it's pretty simple, very easy. I will say this though, when you are twisting your hair, it depends on your curling pattern. So for me, I have 4C hair. I can just go right in with those twists. If you have a looser curl pattern, you may have to twist counterclockwise. If you need to twist counterclockwise, that's fine because you have a looser curl pattern. That's fine. Just twist counterclockwise and then twist your hair. For me, I can just go right in and twist my hair. My main focus is to make sure that I have enough product. If I don't have no slip and slide, girl, my twists are not going to look right. So I just want to make sure that my natural hair is hydrated and definitely lubricated when I twist my hair. You want to make sure that you twist all the way to the end as well so your twist can hold. This is how the back is looking, y'all. So far so good. I don't have to have that bonnet on my head. That's why I'm doing this hairstyle. Now when you do your side, you want to make sure that you connect the back and the side. It doesn't have to be perfect when it comes to your parts. However, you don't want super large parts in the front and these mini twists in the back. So just try to make it look good. So as you can see, you put your product on. Make sure that you put jam on your base and then comb out your hair and start doing your twist. Anytime I do mini twists to my natural hair, I let it stay up for 2 weeks, and it's perfect for a protective hairstyle. You can get up and go in the morning. That's what I need. Like, I have to do my hair, the girl's hair. If I'm not doing my hair in a protective style, somebody gonna come up short. So that's why I like to use protective hairstyles that will allow my hair to just rest. So look, y'all, look, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now on the second side, you're going to repeat the same steps that you did before. Put product on your hair. Make sure that you comb their hair through. Connect the parts. It don't have to be perfect. However, you don't want super big parts in the front if you have medium to small twist in the back. So as you can see, y'all, I'm keeping it very simple. And look, we done, y'all. We are done. Okay, she didn't let that bonnet go. Do you understand? Check her out. I be hyping myself up. You gotta hype yourself up, girl. You gotta just do it. But I'm loving my twist. I love my 4C hair, y'all. So I'm gonna keep this up for about 2 weeks. And hey, do what I gotta do. Now, you want to use a little oil. Don't put too much. Like sometimes I be putting too much and I be having that soul glow. Girl, just glow. Just oil all in my eye. So just put a little bit and just massage it in. But that's pretty much it. I will be keeping this hairstyle for workouts, and yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.